Adialepidos. Adialepidos. What's its meaning? Definition. This is the number 88, by the way. 88. Unceasing, continual, like in 88. 8. Continual, without interruption, unceasing, unremitting. Whew. What? Now the strange thing is this word, let's change this to, at the top of the ribbon bar, it has a scripture, an ancient text, Luke 11:4. 4:4. This is a message to there's two, right? So you've got two. Take the numerals. 2, 1, 2. So there's 244s. 144, 144. This is how these algorithms and numbers and letters appear. This is by no mistake. And this is the 88 Greek word. What's the chances of that, please? Can you tell me? You can check it for yourself. Now then, do I need to read all that, Father? Maybe. Let's look at the it's 7. Let's have a look at the 8-7. This is another word. Adiakritos. Adiakritos is the Greek word. I try to get it right. If you don't see it correctly, sometimes there can be misunderstanding. This is the definition: unwavering, impartial, without partiality, without uncertainty, unambiguous, undivided, wholehearted. Okay. So this is what the other side is to the understanding of the frequency of the 8, 7, the 7 and the 8 and the 8 and the 8. Now I don't want to spend a long time on this, but what I'd like to do is take you into a place that many will try and get in, but will not be able to. Because the only way you can get into this is through a frequency. No matter what the elite do with their numbers, with their fake numbers, they cannot reach this. 1, 2, 4. 1 Aleph. 2 Bet. 4 Dalet. Father in the house. In the house. Father, the Aleph. Father, the creator of all living things. Father, here, in the house, living in the house. Where's the house? Where's the tent? Bet. How? Through the door. The door, the Dalet. One, 2, 4. Now then, if you're not too sure about that, you might have to chow over it a little bit, you know what I mean? It's just the way it is. I've gotten so many downloads today, and I thought, what do I do with all this for? There's so much to say. So much to say. I mean, I was getting downloads about AI. It's so advanced now. They can copy your voice. Your voice. They can copy you and make an image of you. An AI image that looks like you, talks like you, but is AI. We've got no belly button. I wonder why. This is how far they've come with the technology. Now they're trying to introduce into the house, Aleph, Bet, into the house AI, which is a number calculation that will not mix with clear, with the human. It is not an upgrade. As human vessels, once we have the full essence of our Father within, AI is a mere toy. The human vessel is divinely created. The human and the potential of the human, you have no idea. You really don't, because you're still thinking in a different frequency, in a different atmosphere, a timeline. Yeshua is no part of the world, meaning all of this that's going round now, he is here right now, but he's in a different place, and yet living amongst it. He rules in the midst of his enemies. Listen. The most holy place. The most holy place. Where is that, Joseph? Tell me, and I will visit that place. I will tell you where this place is. Many years ago, Yeshua said, I'm going to a place. You cannot come as yet. Where is this place? The most holy place, known as the Holy of Holies, is a term used in the Bible in the ancient texts to describe the innermost and the most sacred area in the tabernacle and later the temple in Jerusalem. So it was first of all in the tabernacle, which was a moving structure. Then there was this permanent structure, temple in Jerusalem. It is a central element in the worship practices of ancient Israel. Not only ancient Israel. You will see the same thing in Egypt. In the pyramids, another image that is very much similar to what I'm describing here. Dimensions, somewhat similar. Listen. The most holy place is first described in the book of Exodus. Remember Exodus? It's named Exodus. You know when you're in a picture show and it all goes dark, many years ago they would have exit. You knew that was the fire exit. Exit. This is Exodus. That's where the word came from, you see. Exit. Exodus. And now every time you say the word exit, you'll remember, oh, this is from the word Exodus. The most holy place is first described in the book of Exodus as part of the instructions given to Moses for the construction of the tabernacle. It was a small square room measuring, listen, what was it? 10 cubits by 10 cubits, and was separated from the holy place by a veil. A veil. You know, women put veils over their faces. This was a veil separating this from this. Yeah? Do you wear a veil? Do you wear a mask? I don't know. It was a small square room measuring 10 cubits by 10 cubits and was separated from the holy place by a veil. The most holy place housed the Ark of the Covenant. A covenant, I've spoken about a covenant, but there is a better covenant, you could say. Now when it says, which contained the stone tablets, five, yeah, representing, wrote on the tablets of our heart and bring it up to date. It's all pictorial. The stone tablets of the 10